Good morning children. How are you all? Okay children, today I'll teach you a new chapter. Okay, your third chapter of mathematics. It is addition. So today we will learn chapter 3 addition. In addition, what you have to do? Yes, what we have to do. What we have to do? Yes, we have to find how many in all. That is putting together. Okay, we are having different things. If we will put them together, how many are there? That we need to find out. Or we can say we need to find the sum or the result. After adding the numbers, what is the result or what is the sum? The result that we get after adding two numbers, that is called the sum. I will tell you once again also. Okay. Then find how many all together. When I'll ask you how many are there all together, then you have to add and tell. Okay. Then find the total. Sometimes we tell you now how many are there in total, find out. Then what you do? You have to add. Okay. So if these are the questions, what we have to do? We have to do addition. Children, like you have seen in your comparing number, we are having some symbols. So here also we are having a symbol. Okay. The symbol of addition, or you can say the sign of addition. Sign is this. And this is called as plus. Okay. This is the sign of addition and we call it as plus. We call it as plus. Okay. And children, how you will read the additional fact? Suppose we'll take a number 5 plus 2 equal to 7. So, how we will read? This is called the additional fact. This is called the additional fact. So, how you will read? 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. How you will read? You see. How you will read? We will read like 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Like this. Okay. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Like this we will read. Okay. So now I'll tell you how to add. So what we will do, the first thing is we will add objects or things. Okay, we will add objects or things. Add objects or things. So what we will do? Suppose I am having what? Balloons. How many balloons? 2 balloons. Okay. I will add here one more balloon. So how many balloons we will get? You see, here we are having 2 balloons. 1, 2. So, 2 balloons. Here only 1 balloon. Here only 1 balloon. Okay, these 2, we have taken this 2 to this place and this one here. Okay, you see. Here 2, 1, 2 balloons and here 1 balloon and finally how many balloons you get? 1, 2 and 3. So how many balloons are here? 3 balloons. Okay. 3 balloons. Okay. So like this we can add. We'll see how many objects are there. Okay. Then we will add. We will go forward. Okay. Then we will count the total. 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 we got how many? 3 balloons. Okay. So like this we can add the objects or the things. Now we'll add numbers. Okay, so how we can add is, if we will count forward, then we can add. Okay, in counting forward, we can add. We always know when we have to add, we have to move forward, we have to count forward. So see, like if you have to add. Okay, I'll tell you. Add 8 and 2. Add 8 and 2. What you will do? Okay, you see, is equal to 8 and 2 squares. Okay, 8 and 2 squares. Okay, which is equal to 8. This is 9 and this is 10. Okay. So, we come to know that 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Understood how you will do? We are having 8. We have to add 2. 1, 2. We have to add 2. 1, 2. And now we are counting forward. What we are doing? We are counting forward. We are counting forward. Okay, we are counting forward. From 8, we went to 9. And from 9, we went to 10. Okay, so 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Okay, yes. Another thing, children, already you have learned the number lines. Yes? Yes, very good. We have already learned numbers line, and now we will see how to add on a number line. How we can add using number line. Okay. Add on number line. Okay, so let's take an example. Okay, we'll take an example like, suppose I have to add 2 and 6. Okay, add 2 and 6. What you will do? Yes, we will make the number line. Okay, we'll make the number line. Okay, we'll make the number line. And in the first case, what you have to do, your first number is 2. This is the first number. So, from 0, we'll directly jump to 2. This is your first jump. This is your first jump. Okay, so you will jump to 2. And from 2, we have to move forward. How many steps? 6 steps. Okay, so 1, 2, keep giving the arrows. It will show us in which direction you are moving. Okay, arrow is a must. Then 3 steps, 4 steps, 5 steps, and then the 6th step. You reached 8. We reached at the place 8. So what happens? Your 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Understood? What we have to do? Our first number is 2. So directly from 0 you jump to 2. We'll jump to 2. And then we will move 6 steps. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, 4 step, 5th step and then the 6th step. We reached at 8. So our answer is 8. Our result is 8. Understood? Okay children, I'll give another example. I'll give you another example. Suppose we have to add 3 numbers like 2 plus 3 plus 4. How you will do? Similarly, we have to make the number line. Okay, we have to make the number line. Okay, you see our first number is 2. Our first number is 2. So directly we'll jump to 2. This is our first jump. Okay, this is our first jump. We'll jump directly to 2. Then we have to move 3 steps. How many steps? 3. So 1, 2 and 3 steps. Okay. Then our number is 4. So we will move 4 steps. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We reached at 9. So we come to know that 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 9. 2 plus 3 is 5 and 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay. So in this way we can add the numbers. First thing is adding the objects or things. Second thing is adding by moving in the forward direction. And third is add on number line. Children, you remember another 2 things. Okay. I'll tell you for your extra information. What is that? When we are adding numbers like 7 plus 2, this 7 and 2, these are called the adds. Okay, and the result, this is called the result or your sum. Okay, the answer is called result or sum. Okay, answer is called the result or the sum. And these 2 numbers or the 3 numbers or the 4 numbers that we are adding is called the addends. Okay. So you children will complete the grade. Okay. Children, you see, this is called the row and this is called the column. When we are moving from our left to right, it is called the row, and when we are moving from top to bottom, it's called the column. Now what we will do is, we'll add this number in the row with this number in the column. So how we will do, you see? See children, 0 plus your 0, you will get 1, 0. Similarly, if we add this 3 with this 1, what we will get? We will get here 4. Okay. Similarly, if we add 4 of this row to 3 of this column, what we will get? 4 plus 3 is your 7. Okay. So children, now you have understood how to add numbers. Okay. So what is your task? Yes children, you have to complete the questions given on page number 33, 34 and 35. So your homework is page number 33, 34 and 35. Thank you children.